Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Face ID on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to reset your Face ID, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Settings app. Now in Settings, just scroll down and look for the option of Face ID and Passcode. Select that, enter your iPhone passcode here, and here you just have to scroll down and you'll get the option of Reset Face ID. You just have to tap on this Reset Face ID option and your Face ID will be reset. And now you just have to tap on Set up Face ID to set up a new Face ID. But if you're facing the issue that you are unable to reset your Face ID, so you have to scroll it down and you'll get the option of Stolen Device Protection. Just select that, and here disable this toggle if you are unable to reset your Face ID. So it might be that your Stolen Device Protection is enabled, so just disable your stolen device protection, and after that you can easily reset your Face ID. So in this way you can easily reset Face ID on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.